2026年世界骹球赛，这届是分散第3国16座县市来比赛，各地饭店、交通拢是大挑战。另外，美国有11座美式骹球场馆，拢爱经过改造，才会当做世界杯合格的场地。有影嘛是大工程，来看咱的详细报道。
SoFi体育场造价超过51美金，目前是职业美式骹球洛杉矶公羊队甲闪电队的主场。今年热人伫这座世界上贵的体育场馆，要进行包括主家美国队首战巴拉圭在内的5场小组赛、2场32强赛甲1场8强赛，总计8场世界杯的比赛。而且场内原本的人工草坪，嘛会加装排水系统，下底改铺有纤维固定加强的天然草皮。
We'll have actually a natural sod grass field. The sod that we'll provide is actually in accommodation to the FIFA pitch research team. In the March of 2025, we actually built a test pitch for those 2 doubleheader matches as well as the U.S. women's national team. Players loved it. We've got rave reviews from FIFA.
2026世界杯头摆扩大到48队参赛，赛程延长到39日，嘛增加到104场。美国运输部估计将会成600万游客来到这，安尼会对交通带来压力。旅馆订房甲短期睡厝，现出时嘛已经正抢市。
In terms of overall nights booked, cities like Mexico City, Boston, Los Angeles, and Seattle have seen the most overall bookings. But then when we look at the highest growth rate, we see a lot of the smaller cities like Monterrey and Guadalajara in Mexico, and Kansas City and Dallas in the U.S., where we're seeing bookings up anywhere from 6 to 10 times what we saw this time last year.
估计加拿大加州世界杯就会带来超过5亿美金的经济效益。公司新闻张翰、宋晓云，美国洛杉矶报道。